No matter latex sheet, plastic string, fishing line, and most importantly, hair, Press Drain can cut them all. See how the hair cut into pieces? Press Drain is a never clogging bathtub drain, specifically designed to capture hair with water flow. The internal quadrat blades will easily shred all the hair entangled in the drain, and hair pieces will flush away with water. Hair will capture in the drain. Press it and cut the hair into pieces to prevent clogging with excellent cutting performance. So no additional cleaning is required. You can simply step on it. We'll make this process much easier. Compared to traditional drain protector, no maintenance needed for Press Drain, so you won't need to touch all the hair. Press Drain will not slow down the water flow. Also, Press Drain can be used as a stopper when needed. Press Drain is suitable for most of the bathtub drain in the world with different specification to suit your need. Installation is simple. Put the base into the drain and click on the main body. No extra tool needed. Press Drain, a convenient and affordable solution.